Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the second half of this lesson, where now we're going to make a password with specific requirements, like 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, 1 character, and some non-alph or some numeric, something like that. So the first thing we have to do is let's get out of combining these together. Let's have separate things for letters, separate things for numbers. Let's call the numbers digits. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have our digits, we have our letters. Let's have uppercase letters. So uppercase equals, now there's a short way to do this, because we know we can just do string.upper because that's a method for the string class. So we just have all the uppercase letters there. Characters. Characters. And I'm just going to do shift and 1 through 9. You can do more characters if you want. And I forget to put my quotes around it. There we go. I think that's great. So now, when we start up, we can pick 5 lowercase letters. So that 5 puts 5 lowercase letters right there. So now, what do we want? Let's say we want the same thing, but now instead of randomly choosing from letters, let's randomly choose from digits. And then that adds, let's have, make sure there's 2 numbers. All right. Now paste that back in, and let's have at least 1 uppercase. And then we can have 1 character. One special character. I think I use characters. Characters. Yes, that looks good. And now let's print our password. That looks great. Now, one downside about this is it is always in a specific order. We might want to randomize so the special character is not always the last letter, so it doesn't always take the same form. So to do that, what we would do is we would just have an extra step. Now, this might not be entirely intuitive, but we're going to want to change this into a list. So first I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So if I do a list of password, if I just print a list of the password, let's see, if I run that, you can see that it's all turned into a list. So each part of each letter of the string is its own string within a list. Now that helps us out in that now we can, if we have the list as a new password, let's call this like new. So new equals the list of the password. And now what we can do is randomly shuffle. So random.shuffle new. And now if I print new, they'll be shuffled around. So you can see that the last one isn't the character, it's all the characters are moved around. So now what we have to do is now we have this list with a bunch of things. We got to combine it back into a string in the end. So let's print, we can join these together by if we say two different quotes, dot join, and then say new here. Now if we print this, now it's exactly how we wanted it. So this is our last line, just so you had enough time to see it. And now when we run it, now we're randomly generating passwords. All right. Hopefully that makes sense.